Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. This is your girl Gigi, and today I am missing you guys so much. I'm telling you, it has been so hard for me to not be making videos for you guys. It's really killing me. But what I'm going to do for you guys today is a little bit of a galaxy nail, and we're going to use this Model 1's cat eye polish. And I'm just putting down a thin coat because this polish is so thick, you guys. It is crazy thick to work with. And then we're going to come in with that cool tool, that little magnet. That's your girl not knowing what words are. We're going to use this cool magnet. I'm going to go ahead and touch that and ruin it. But not too bad, but bad enough that I think I'm going to come back over it. Yes, I'm going to smooth that back out because I did touch that nail with the magnet. So, oops. So we're just going to smooth that back out, and then I'm going to use that tool again, that little magnet tool, to make that cute little line up in the corner here. And we're going to do this several times in a row. Several times. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing to get through this coronavirus crisis? Are you at home? Are you still working? What is going on? If you guys are still working, please, please be super, super safe. I do not want anyone to get sick or be taking this back home to their families. I know that it's really hard to stay home. I know, but if you can, please stay at home. I'm not sure why I have left all of this empty space here, but we're back. And okay, I've done it a couple more times, as you can see. I went in a couple more times with that tool. I'm not sure if I know I didn't have the footage, so I think I just forgot to press record for those two lines that you see there that I did off camera without you. Guys, I'm so sorry. Now we're going to come in one more time with this and do a really pretty line down the side there. And it kind of made almost a hashtag, but not exactly, kind of a wonky hashtag. And then we are going to come back in and we're going to do on top of this. I'm not sure what was the problem there. Oh, it's just can you see that? The polish is a little bit, like there's a droplet there. It's wrong. If this was on a client, you would want to file that down just to regain your shape a little bit. Now, this is some pink polish, and we are going to come in and just disperse that out with some acetone. And it does take me quite a few tries to get it exactly the way I like it. And that's try number 1. And I only show you a couple. I showed you that first one. Now I'm going to show you the one that actually comes out correctly, because I did do that a couple of times where I was like, no, I don't like it. I like it. So we didn't do it. So on the brush, you just got some acetone and you just use it to disperse that polish and make it so you can still see it, but you can also see through it. I love how it looks when it's dispersing across the nail. It's so cool, right? And you can just play with it until you find the exact shape you like. And I think I like that, and then I'm like, no, I do not. And we come in with just a couple more spots, or drops rather, and then I cured it. And now we're just going to come in with some glittery top coat. Not too much, because this top coat, this glitter polish rather, can really take over the nail if you want it to. So I did a very, very sparse coat on that. And then we are going to top coat it. So this was super, super short video today, guys. Actually, the next couple weeks are going to be one super short video every week. And I'm so sorry about that. I miss doing the videos so much, you guys. I miss you so much, you guys. It is so great to do videos for you. I didn't realize how much I loved it until I couldn't do it, right? So, guys, please hit the comment section. Let me know what you think about the little galaxy nail. And we will see you in next week's video. Bye!